The cash price of a phone is 46,000 Kenya shillings. Linda bought the phone on hire purchase terms by paying a deposit of 16,000 and the balance by 12 equal monthly installments of 3,600. Find the compound rate of interest per month. So the first thing we're going to do is to get the balance after Linda paid a deposit of 16,000. Remember, the cash price is 46,000, but Linda bought it on her purchase terms by first paying a deposit of 16,000. So up to there, we need to get the balance. The balance will be 46,000 subtract 16,000, that is the deposit. This one will give 30,000. So this is the balance that is to be paid through hire purchase terms. Then after that, this balance is paid through 12 equal monthly installments of 3,600 each. So we need to get the total amount of money paid in all those installments. So for all the installments each month, 3,600, these 12 months, so multiply that, 3,600 multiply by 12, 3,200. 3,200. Now the question is, find the compound rate of interest per month. So we need to find the compound interest for that balance that is going to be paid through hire purchase. We are going to use the compound interest formula. And the compound interest formula goes like this: amount is equals to principal 1 plus r over 100 raised to power n, where a is the amount, principal the initial amount, and n is the period. For the figures that we already have, this balance after Linda paid a deposit of 16,000, she was left with paying a balance of 30,000. So 30,000 becomes the principal. This is the principal. Then the total amount paid through all the installments will be the amount. This will be amount. Total amount of money paid by all the installments, 12 equal monthly installments. This will be the amount. So we have identified A and P. So A is 43,200. So we substitute that in the formula. 43,200 is equals to principal balance, which is 30,000. Then you multiply by 1 plus R 100 raised to power n. So in this case, n is the period through which this payment was done for the installment. The installments were made within 12 equal months. So n will be 12, the period 12 months. So we be left with R. R is the rate of interest. So we need to make R the subject, find R. So we're going to first begin by dividing both sides by 30,000. So 53,200 divided by 30,000 is equals to, the right hand side will be left with that. So we divide 43,200 divided by 30,000. This will give 1.44. Is equals to 1 plus R. So 1 plus R over 100 raised to power 12. So the next thing is to get rid of the power 12. How do we get rid of the power 12? By getting the 12th root of both sides. So we get the 12th root of 1.44, and we get the 12th root of 1 plus R over 100 raised to power 12. So when we get the 12th root of 1.44, 1.44. That will give 1.03 is equals to, we get the 12th root of the right hand side, we remain with 1 plus r over 100. So we want to remain with r, so we can take 1 to the left hand side. So 1.03 minus 1, subtract 1 from both sides. That is what I've done. This is what you get. So this will give 0.03 is equals to r over 100. And this will give, you want to get r, multiply both sides by 100, like that. This will give r to be 3%. So 3% is the rate of interest. And that is how you're supposed to solve that question.